Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the unique constraint in MySQL. So the unique constraint basically means that every single value has to be unique. The values cannot be the same. So we'll test this out. We'll create a brand new table with this constraint and we'll test it out. So let's just create a new table. So we'll do create table. We'll do something like cars, for example. So cars. And we'll just give a few values that we can use. So we'll just do like ID int, for example, and then we'll just do one more. We'll do car make, and this is just going to be a varchar 255. Okay, but now at the very end, what we need to do is do a comma, write unique, and then in brackets specify the column that has to be unique. So let's say for us we'll do ID. We want every single ID to be different, right? So we press enter here. You can see, okay, 0 rows affected. Let's just write describe cars. Okay, so you can see that this ID field has a key called UNI, which is unique. So every single data value that we insert into this field has to be unique. Okay, so let's just test this out. So let's say we do insert into cars. We specify ID and car make, and then let's say we insert values of 1 and car make. I don't know. We'll do BMW. All right. So if I press enter, you can see the first query is fine. All right. Now if we do select all from this table, which is cars, you can see that we have one record with the ID of 1 and car make BMW. Now because this is unique, if we try to insert another value with the same ID, we will get an error. So if we do insert into cars, the ID car make with the same ID that we have here, but then let's change this to a ID, for example. You press enter, you can see we get an error here because there's a duplicate entry 1 for the key cars.id, which is this one here. That means is we are trying to insert the value 1 into a new record, but these values here under the field ID, these all have to be different. Okay, so that's why we are getting an error here. We can change this to a 2, press enter, and now you can see that the query is okay. And if we just do select, you can see that this query now got added because this ID is different. You can see before we tried to insert a record with the same ID as 1, and that was not allowed. That's because there is a key called unique on this field here. Okay, and once again, this is how we create it. Okay, we just specify unique at the very end. Okay, so that's about it for this video. I hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.